Hello, children. Welcome to another class of our interesting subject of science. Now, in our previous class, we have learnt that there are many parts in our body. Some can be seen and some cannot. So, the parts which cannot be seen are our hearts, lungs, kidneys, liver, and so on. But when you look at yourself, you will find some parts that you will identify as eyes, ears, nose, mouth, hand, leg, and so on. Now, in a previous class, we have learnt about all these parts. Now, let's do an interesting activity which is on this page. There are some words given in the blue box. Let's fill it. So, our first sentence says, we do not have a long bushy tail. So, do you have a tail? No. So, we do not have a long bushy tail. We all have two eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. We can bend our legs now. Bend your legs and see at which point does it bend? Yes, it bends at the knees. K-N-E-E-S, knees. So, our next sentence will make us identify about some more parts. We have nails on our fingers. Look at your fingers and look at your toes also. You will have nails on your toes also. Let's see the last sentence. So, do you find it only in yourself? Your eyes, ears, nose, mouth, hands and legs? No, we find it in everybody. So, we are all alike. A-L-I-K-E, alike. So, we are all alike in some ways. Now, there is some difference also. Although we have same body parts, but we all do not look the same. So what difference can we find? We find that we have different skin color. Some are dark complexioned, some are fair. We have different colors of eyes. Some of you may have black eyes, some have brown eyes, and others may have blue eyes also. Even there is a difference in hair also. You are having black hair, but your grandma may not have a black hair. She will have white hair. So hair also varies. Similarly, your height and weight will also vary. It will make a difference. Some people are very fat and some are very thin. Some are tall, but some are short also. So these things are different in our looks. So every person looks different in some way or the other. Now look at the pictures given here. There's a small girl named Sumi. There's an old woman is her grandmother, and there we have Mr. Fox. Now look at these pictures carefully. Okay. Let's move to the next page. Now, if you have looked into the pictures in your previous page, you will be able to identify the difference here also. Like color of the hair, the size, the gender. So find out all this difference and complete this exercise. This table must be completed by you. Okay, let's have some fun now. Label the parts of your face. Now you have studied about your face. So we will do this fun activity. I will start it for you and the rest will be done by you. So let's begin. So which is the first pick name? Yes, you can see hair. So we'll write hair over here, H-A-I-R, hair. Then next what do you have? You have eyes. So we will write E-Y-E-S, eyes. I hope this is something fun. Hope you will enjoy it. So this will be done all by you. Hope you had a fun time. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.